I'm back for the first time in quite a while with this FPV drone. I had some trouble with it, actually a lot of trouble. I had this thing grounded for about 3 weeks just because I didn't know what the hell happened to the VTX, and it turns out it was a very small thing on the board that maybe it popped or got busted on impact the last time I crashed. I'm gonna hope I don't do it again. I got a big grass field. We're here down in Florida, and this is my first flight. I'm a little bit nervous, but I know it's going to be a lot of fun. I really miss this thing, so let's plug in and go up. Holy shit. I mean, you go from a DJI to something like this, and holy shit, that's really maybe the only expression you can have. I mean, my legs were shaking just during that little test, and it's really hard to fly slow. I find it's so much easier on like a DJI drone, but something like this, holy shit. You gotta tilt the camera down a little bit, but I mean, this thing is damn aggressive, let's just put it that way. I'm gonna try doing a camera that's fixing the tilt. Looks like we're getting some rain, a little bit of thunder. See those clouds? Let me put this thing back up real quick. Let's just test that camera, see if that helps. Still fast as fuck. No crashing, no horsing around, but I do need to get used to this thing, so that'll be that, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us for the flight.